All right. Good morning. Today is Monday. We have no news today. Am I working? Yep. And we are making big changes to my trading plan today. Before I was using a few different strategies. I was mainly using supply and demand, but I was also doing support and resistance, break and retests, and I realized I was kind of doing too much, kind of chasing setups. So I decided I'm gonna do mainly just supply and demand, just to streamline everything, not overcomplicate things, and have just focus on one setup. And if there's no setup, there's no trade. Hoping that this will um lessen the amount of losses I've been taking, and hopefully we'll pass evaluation soon. So let's see. We had a couple setups right here on NQ and ES already. We got a 15-minute demand zone also a little bit lower. It's tapping into the 5-minute demand zone. The 15-minute was already tapped. Gold. Don't have much on gold. Yeah, not much. This might be a nice setup right here on NQ or ES. Let's see. Oh, also my account is at, where are we at? 50,709. So we're close to 1,000. Oh, that was fast. It's a pretty small move. So I might do 2 contracts here. Oh,
Order submitted.
to try to get 50 ticks, that'll be 500 bucks. See if we can get a nice quick win to start off the week. Nice rejection at my zone. Already got a blue candle. Nice. Going with the trend. You know what? I think I'm gonna
Order canceled.
try to go on ES. A little bit less risk. 2 contracts would be, this would be like a $300 move instead of
Order
500.
submitted.
That'll get me to 51k if it wins. Hmm.
Order canceled.
It's pushing back down. Got a candle closure inside my zone. Yeah, it could push past into the 15-minute demand zone. Yeah, it looks like we're pushing past the first demand zone. We do have a 1 hour demand zone right here. It is rejecting off of the 1 hour demand zone. Let's delete the first demand zone. Okay. Seeing a big push.
Order submitted.
NQ didn't tap the 1 hour demand zone, but ES did. If we break this candle, it'll it'll get me in. It's now an 18 tick move, so a little bit more risk could be risking 450 to make 450. Tapping into a 1 hour demand zone, so it looks pretty good.
Order filled.
All right, we are in this trade on ES. I think at if I hit maybe 10 ticks, I'm gonna take half off. Never done that before, so hopefully that'll be nice to secure some profits. But hopefully it hits full TP.
Order submitted.
Sell limit right here at 10 ticks. I'll take one contract off. Come on. Don't like that. Come on. It's like it's floating around 5 ticks. It's staying right here. When we're making higher highs, it's got to make a higher high right here. Or I think it will, at least. It's like price doesn't like this area right here. But it's also not dipping too far down. It's just moving really slow. 15-minute chart, we look pretty good. Fibonacci sticks, candlesticks, we look pretty good too. It's just moving really slow. I don't like all this back and forth. I wish it would just blast up. Come on now. Could at least reach these previous highs. Follow market structure. Why is it doing that? Every time it goes up, goes back down. And it stays here. Come on. It's just slowing down. Go back to the 5 minute for a second. Oh my god, look at these candles on the 5 minute. What the fuck is that, dude? What is that? So ugly. I'm gonna keep managing on the 15-minute time frame. But man, it's moving so slow. So you're just gonna stay there? You're not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna stay right there. I want to see it break these highs right here, these past two candles, at least, so we can. That'll give me some indication that we might. Oh, wow. Oh, This trade's really testing my patience, trusting my setup. I mean, any setup can lose, but this is a good setup. We're going with the trend. Didn't close in my zone. It's the 1 hour demand zone. So, okay. Keep going. My God, dude. Every time it goes up, it goes back down. I think I'm gonna hold this as long as possible because even though it's spiked down a bunch of times, it still keeps going back up. Like it wants to go up. We're in a bullish trend. We're going with the trend. It should go up. Okay, this candle closed bullish. That's nice. Do want to see that. Haven't seen anything higher than 6 ticks yet. I don't think I have. Let's look back at the 5 minute. See what it looks like on there. A lot of chopping around. Come on, give me 7. Push past 7. Keep going. Oh my God. Oh no. Still gonna hold. Not liking what I'm seeing though. Ooh. Hmm. Broke past previous candle low. Still gonna hold. Trying to decide if I should put my stop loss all the way back down to 18 ticks to get more room to breathe, or just keep it right where it is. Man, I thought this was gonna be a quick trade. Been in the trade for a while now. And it's gonna hit stop loss. And hoping maybe it'll push back up, but it doesn't look like it.
Order cancelled.
Oh boy. Down $300. Boy. Well, we'll look for a second entry, possibly. It's so annoying, man. Oh, it's going back up now. Right for stopping me out. You freaking kidding me? God, I held that trade for so long. So long. Well, I think I'm gonna close the charts for the day. Price action was pretty messy on ES and NQ. Gold wasn't really doing anything. I could wait a little bit longer, but I gotta get off the charge and help Clarissa with the baby. So none of this really want to be in the trade anyways. Like I held it for such a long time, but I mean, it wasn't showing any strength up or down. And now it's kind of just chopping around, bouncing around. But $300 is not a crazy loss, but a loss is a loss. Horrible start to the week. That's all right though. All my trading plan stayed. Um, my emotions were in check, so it was. I feel pretty good about the trade, but still lost.